In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Gamma Live websites in just a few simple steps. If you use Gamma to build projects, presentations, or website-style pages, this is the quickest way to find the sites that have already been published and view them live. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, how to locate your published projects, and how to access them without any confusion. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is where Gamma keeps its main navigation options, so you'll want to focus on that sidebar first. In the left panel, you should see an option called Sites. This is the section that contains the projects you've published as live websites. Go ahead and click on Sites. After you click it, Gamma will open the area where your published work is stored and displayed. From here, you can access the projects that have been published to live websites and view them exactly as visitors would see them. This is really useful if you want to check your published pages. Share them with others, or simply confirm that everything looks correct before sending the link out. If you don't see the project you're looking for right away, make sure you're logged into the correct Gamma account and that the project has actually been published. That small detail matters because only published projects will appear in the live website section. Once you've found the site you want, you can open it and review the live version. This gives you a fast and easy way to manage your published Gamma content without having to search through unrelated files or drafts. So to recap, log into Gamma, look at the left panel, click Sites, and from there you'll have access to the projects that have been published as live websites. It's a simple process, but once you know where to find it, it saves a lot of time. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.